Hi guys, today we are going to see how to cut, copy and paste your folder. Let's start from this folder. You can see your XYZ folder PDF. First let's copy this. Use Ctrl plus C for copying this folder. This I have copied. For pasting you need Ctrl plus V. And you see I have copied the folder again. Let's move this folder to another folder. Use Ctrl plus V for that. Ctrl plus X, and I have copied this. Let's copy this file into the pictures video, let's say, and you can use Ctrl plus V to paste it. See, I have pasted this file into another document without using any or mouse, you can say. So here we end our video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my video channel. Thank you.